the campground I stayed at years ago.
My yummy lunch on the road.
Okay, have a good day, guys.
Part 16 of my solo cross-country ride on my Tiger. Riding the beautiful and scenic Highway 1 on the coast of California. I started this ride over 10 days ago in Texas.
Wow. Beautiful. Look at that cool cove. Okay, sorry. Watch the road again. I did know no one's coming. That's cool. Tower. Oh, I think that's the campground I stayed at years ago. Down on that beach. Ah, cute little store. Look at that. This road is a great example of the kind of road that's fun to ride, obviously. The kind of road that is beautiful, because look at that. And also the reason I don't go by miles. I go by how many hours in the saddle, not how many miles I've done that day. Because I'm sure I haven't gone very far in miles. But I have been on the road since about 10 o'clock. So 4 hours on the road, 2 spots that I stopped, the forest and the fort, and windy road. So all that together adds to not particularly very far in miles. But I would rather do that than see the cool things and ride this road and not go a 10 miles. So that's 100% okay with me. Because who would want to go up I-5 when they can ride this? I am enjoying the scenery. Stewart's Point Store. That was a last minute stop. Cool. Stewart Point Store. Bakery. Awesome. I was looking for a bakery thing. So that's your bakery items right there?
Yeah, we've sold out of most of our pastries and bread.
Yeah.
We do still have one more baguette.
Okay, yeah, I don't need bread. I was looking for pastry. So, okay. Do you have internet here? No. Can you get my maps to work?
Oh, gotcha. We do have one right here.
Yeah, I have a... Yeah, thanks. Okay. Tapped. Worked. Okay, cool, thank you.
No problem.
I'm
Appreciate
way
it.
behind.
Okay.
Like, I don't know, a year behind on my YouTube videos.
Whatever.
Because I ride too much.
That's a good thing. Hey,
Yeah.
that's
It's
a good
like, you
problem
know.
to have. Right on. We'll ride safe.
Yeah, you guys too. Have fun.
I wish I could do what you're doing.
Yep. Okay, have a good day, guys.
Always fun to meet fellow riders on the road. Great to see the next generation out there having an awesome time. They told me about another route, which I won't have time today, but will add for my list in the future. Enjoyed a delicious homemade cookie, had a drink, I will save the rest of the cookies for after dinner. A nice treat that will end up lasting me a few days.
Pretty wildflowers. Kind of different. My hands are cold here. The wind is going, I don't know, through, around, whatever, the gloves. My body's warm. My hands are chilly. Luckily, I have heated grips and it's not an issue. But these are my winter gloves. They're not super warm. They're not as warm as ski gloves.
I now use Griffin Tofino cold weather waterproof gloves. They are excellent. I will put a link below in the description. My hands stay warm and dry. There is a large gauntlet that goes over the jacket sleeve, so I do not have the same problem that I had in the gloves I'm wearing in the video.
Came to this gorgeous view of the cliffs and the GoPro ran out of battery. Well, luckily there's a pull out here, so yeah, no problem. Pull over, change batteries, and off we go. Yeah, look at the color. Wow. And it is windy. Alright, almost to the trees. Pretty. Wow, that's cool. And the big sunroom. Stay away from the wind to pick at the view. Port Arena. Let's stay there, Dougie. Alrighty, 25 miles an hour. We got it. Hello. Ah, cool. Another cool California little town on a hill. Am I supposed to turn here? Yes, I am. And the school is at the top of the hill. And the church. Very cool. Look at these trees. Wow. Pretty. Birds, that's pretty cool. Pretty area. There we go. Wow, how beautiful that water is. Ooh, and that house up there. Pretty cool. Hi, birdie. Sorry, I'm scaring you, birdie. Wow, cool. Pretty. Yeah, I think I can probably see more from here, actually. Hang on. Oh, dude's behind me. You can go ahead. Wow. Beautiful. I'm gonna watch for a whale for a sec.
Follow me on social media.